What's up with it, YouTube? 2014, man. The dude, Goldie, motherfucking. Check me out. It's Mr. Send 'em straight to work. She come out of street clothes and throw on a short skirt. Heels on, now it's time to flirt. She keep a purse full of KY and condoms, nigga. She stay ready. Only date for fetty. Money talks and I don't hear shit y'all saying. Y'all playing while tricks really paying the fee. I got them hoes in the club hoeing for me. My hoes don't fuck for free. They fuck for a G. And nothing lasts forever, so I advise all real hustlers stack some cheddar. Never know when the weather gon' change. I know this cat who used to floss a range. Now he flipping the expedition. Listen, these is reality bars. I hope you all paying attention before it's too late and you be sitting inside of a prison because one mistake is all it takes. And 90% of you rappers is fake, so keep God first and always step out on faith. And in this game, it's no love, so don't expect hugs. Trust no soul and only believe in the dough. And remember, these hoes ain't shit, even the Bible tell you that, nigga. But these niggas can't read. So with that said, none of you niggas will ever succeed. You know what I'm saying? No plan, baby. One.